Tay, back with another video. Before you say anything, yes, I'm currently driving. About to pass the police right now. But yeah, I'm currently driving. But I got a dilemma with this car. It's always something with the Accord, something that I gotta fix. It's the daily, so you know, I gotta get the daily right, you feel me? So I'm finna show y'all what I'm talking about right now. When you own a car that the LEDs or the light bulbs behind the dash are just like dead, non-existent. I think I can only see where it says 40 and up. I don't see the 30, the 20 or whatever. Can't really see the speedometer like that or the gas. I can see the coolant level. I mean, not level, but temperature. And I cannot see the tach, so I don't know what RPM I be on. But I need to fix this. I really do. Look at my speedometer. You see how it's only lights on certain sides of the speedometer? I need to replace that because I can't really see nothing. I just be driving, listening to the RPMs and stuff at nighttime and just shifting. So I really need to fix that. Some of y'all need to fix it, and I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it. I'm not gonna do it tonight, so when I get daylight, I'll fix it. I'll walk y'all through how to fix it. By the way, look at them lights, bright as hell. Hell yeah. Let's go. All right, so I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and take this cluster out while we still got sunlight. So let's get to it. So steering wheel's in the way. Push the lever right here. Steering wheel drops down, and there's only two Phillips heads. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those two Phillips heads out. I know it's gonna be somebody that, why y'all didn't show the clip of that? So here you go. Eat a dick. All right, so I got both of my screws out. They should just pop out like that. Then to take the cluster out, you got the one right there, there's one over there, one down there, and then one down there at the bottom. So 4 Phillips head screws. I'm not finna record me taking it out. It'll be out in the next clip. Okay, I lied. I got all 4 bolts out. So now you safely pull it out, and then there's some clips at the back, and yeah, we're gonna get those unclipped. What's crazy is the clips are at the top. On other clusters, they're in the back. There might be some in the back, but as of right now, we got 3 at the top. So I'm gonna disconnect those. So after disconnecting those 3 connectors, the cluster is out. Fairly easy job, not hard at all. And we just gotta open these up and change all the bulbs. Sounds easy. Let's get to it. All right, so I ordered these bulbs a long time ago. I got a bag of bulbs. We gonna see what fit what, and we gonna try to see if we can get this cluster lit back up. Let's go. Oh wow, they come with little extra clips. That's pretty cool. But that's only for the small ones. So I gotta order another bag for the big bulbs because they're 2 different sizes. That's crazy. This hat like it don't even want to fit. You know what? No worries. Alright, so we just gonna be out with the old and with the new. So this is the old. I've already changed this side. I just haven't done this side yet. I'm trying to get it off. This one don't want to come out. Alright, got it out. I'm taking the LED and I'm putting it in here. Ouch. Put it in there. Putting it back in. I should have been doing this with gloves on, but I always go buy another set. I had to get more LEDs out. Not that I needed all of these, but I don't know why they packaged it like that. They could have packaged all this separately. LEDs. Alright, doing the last one of the small ones right now. So the black ones, I found these two because there was nothing right here. Replace the lights in this, and this. I do not have the bulb size for this one, so I'm gonna keep this one out and I'm gonna figure out what size it is, because I am gonna have to finish these 5 or maybe 6, because I think that's a light too. So yeah, those 6. All right, so I gotta go get a light bulb, but I don't know if this car starts up without a cluster. You know, some cars don't. This car should be old enough to where it does. Let's make sure. Okay. Bet. Who needs a cluster? I'm headed to Home Depot. Talk to him. Oh, it's the camera nigga. He said, who that your mom? Nah, you on candy camera, boy. At Home Depot. Home Depot didn't have shit that I was looking for. Fuck Home Depot. Alright, so I just put up the O'Reilly's. Hopefully they got the bulb that I need. I had to go to Home Depot anyway to get something for the house. And still on the phone with Jonathan. And yeah, O'Reilly's. Alright, so I went into O'Reilly's. I got the correct bulb. $40. $40. Also, if your bulb is 161 like the Accord, then the 194 and the 168 will work as far as the LED reference goes. So yeah, we're gonna get this installed. All right, so I'm back in the car. I'm back at the house. Let's finish this cluster. I got good lighting. Shout out to Jonathan with the Ryobi tool. He told me to buy this light, and yeah, now it's bright in here. So I really ain't gotta turn on no lights in the car and stuff like that. Shout out to Jonathan, shout out to Ryobi. Yeah, let's go. I got my cluster right here. As you can see right here, I do have one LED light, which goes back right there. Then I'm gonna take these other ones off and install them there. Let's go. All right, so again, I did these two already. This one I didn't tighten down, and the last one over here getting ready to install right now. And then we're gonna plug it in and see what the lighting looks like. All right, so if I install this right, this cluster should be bright. So I'm finna plug it in now. I'm not gonna bolt it down or anything. I'm gonna plug it in, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. I just got plugged over there. That's the hardest one. I don't know why. I have to fight with it. Okay, so I need a bulb for this. This piece right here, this black piece, is also a light with these four, and this right here. I'm gonna get those two later, I'm not going to get those now. I also put in bulbs where they were missing from, so everything has a bulb now except these two. So one side of the cluster is still going to be a little dark. It's going to have a little light, but not a lot of light. It's going to be a little dark, but we're going to upgrade these two later. So we're going to see what we got for right now. Alright, so I introduced to you the new cluster. Well, not really new. Bulb decent on this side. I gotta replace two on this side and it'll be perfect. Turn signal. Remember, on my right side I ain't had no turn signal. Now I got a turn signal. Yeah, I'm in the game. Both turn signals work. It's bright. I can see everything this time. Also, this is an automatic cluster. This car is not automatic. But yeah, everything works. Except for the speed. I'll fix that in another video. But now I can finally see the cluster while I'm driving. And that is great. All it took was replacing the bulbs. And that's it. So I guess this is where I'm gonna leave off for right now. The video is not finished. I just gotta get me 2 more bulbs and then it's gonna be bright. But for the meantime, look at how bright this is. That's exciting. That's very exciting. Let's look. Alright. See y'all when I get the other bulbs. Alright, y'all, I finally showed up to AutoZone to get the last 2 bulbs. I got the last 2 bulbs, so we're gonna head to the house and we're gonna install them into the cluster. Alright, so back to the video. I gotta remove the cluster again, and we're gonna place those 2 light bulbs in the cluster. Alright, so we got the cluster out one more time. I gotta find out which one of these is the one that don't got the light. Oh, so look at that. It was the first one. We're gonna take a cool white bulb out of this pack and we're gonna put it in here and place it back in there. And I think this one is a regular bulb too. Don't quote me though, but I think so. So, took this one out. It's also a regular bulb. So we're gonna change that one too. And that should be all of the ones that need to be changed. So we placed all the bulbs back inside. And now all I gotta do is just install it back and we should have perfect light on the cluster. Alright, so now I got everything plugged back in. And I gotta get it back up right. And we're gonna cut it on and see what happened. So with everything plugged in, this is what you get. So after installing everything, I actually took the cluster back out and I flipped the bulbs around. When I flipped the bulbs around, I noticed something because I did still notice dead spots after installing these cool white LEDs. But I'm gonna show y'all what it look like now since I flipped the bulbs. Yeah, there was a dead spot over here on the RPM. There's not a dead spot anymore. There's no more dead spots. Everything is perfect. This is easy to do, and if you have dead spots, all you have to do is take the cluster back out, make sure the bulb is making good connection with the bottom piece, and if it's still not illuminated, take it out and flip it around, and then it'll illuminate. And that's it. That concludes this video. Again, catch y'all later, man.